The SoundMagic P60BT headphones transcend the ordinary, boasting powerful 40mm dynamic drivers, 3 distinct listening modes, a swift 10-minute quick charge, and the seamless connectivity of Bluetooth 5.2. The SoundMagic P60BT headphones are crafted entirely from plastic and feature a traditional EARCUP yoke design, allowing for adjustable tilting of the ear cups. These ear cups not only tilt but also lay flat at a 90-degree angle on a desk and can fold inwards, thanks to a folding hinge integrated into the headband. The headband, also made of plastic, is reinforced with a metal band and incorporates a ratchet-style adjustment mechanism for altering head height. Silicone rubber padding is applied on the top and bottom of the headband, with subtle SoundMagic branding engraved on the bottom side. While the engraving is discreet, it may catch attention if you have a bold head. The P60BT ear cups, while on the larger side, deliver exceptional passive noise isolation when combined with the earpads. This effectively blocks out a significant amount of external noise and minimizes sound leakage. On the right EARCUP faceplate, a responsive touch control panel is present, complemented by an NFC chip on the left EARCUP faceplate. The touch controls offer versatility, supporting actions like double tap, triple tap for voice assistant, and long tap for play, pause and call management. Additionally, swipe gestures, up, down and left, right, allow for easy track skipping and volume control. Speaking of volume, the Bluetooth 5.2 chip supports aptX, aptX HD, AAC, and SBC codecs, along with absolute Bluetooth volume control, enabling you to adjust the headphone's volume directly from the connected device. All connectivity ports and buttons are conveniently situated on the right EARCUP, featuring a 3.5mm audio port, with microphone pass-through, USB-C port, charging only, and a physical button with a distinct and audible click actuation. The 3.5mm port is specifically designed for the included boom arm microphone, seamlessly integrated into a 2-meter-long audio cable. The 9.5cm long boom arm microphone is crafted with memory wire, ensuring flexibility to bend and securely stay in place at any angle. The P60BT ear cups feature memory foam padding covered in soft synthetic leather. The drivers have a thin fabric layer on top to prevent ear rubbing, but there's an uncommon hard plastic protrusion that may cause discomfort for those with large ears. The inner hole of the earpads measures 5.5cm in height, 4cm in width, and 2cm in depth, while the outer dimensions are 8cm in width and 10cm in height. The weight of the P60BT headphones is 315 grams, and the boom arm mic audio cable weighs 18 grams. It's important to note that the mic is not detachable from the audio cable. The P60BT requires a 2-hour charging time, and a brief 10-minute charge yields 5 hours of playback. A full charge extends to approximately 44 hours with ANC on and 47 hours with ANC off when utilizing the SBC codec. Notably, you have the flexibility to charge the headphones while enjoying audio in both Bluetooth and wired modes. The P60BT headphones feature 40mm dynamic drivers, delivering ample bass, clear vocals, and detailed highs, perfect for picking up cues in gaming. You have the flexibility to switch between 3 listening modes: ANC, transparency mode, and normal mode, the latter turning off ANC and transparency modes. The exceptional ANC and audio performance can be attributed to the high passive noise isolation provided by the earcups and earpads, crafting an immersive soundscape. The P60BT headphones feature a moderate impedance of 45 ohms, allowing them to deliver robust volume even with low-power devices such as smartphones and MP3 players, eliminating the necessity for an external headphone amplifier. Unlike high-impedance headphones, 100 ohms and above, which often necessitate a headphone amp, the P60BT maintains optimal performance without such requirements.